Hi, and welcome again to another good Kikuyu lesson with our teacher Martin. Thank you, and today we are going to do some revisions. I'm sorry for that, having taken too long before I came here for the class. Okay, thank you for those who have been following, those who have been subscribing, those who have been commenting, sharing. May God bless you. So today we are going to do some revisions. Okay, good. I hope you are ready. 1, 2, 3. Good. Nice. So how do you ask someone to come in Kikuyu? Simple. You just tell them Oka, Oka, Oka. Good. Oka, Oka, come. Oka, 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 come. And here is haha. So for instance, if you want to tell someone to come here, you just tell them Oka haha, Oka haha. Okay, good. We have that tune there. Good, 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 good. Let's go to another one. To tell someone go, 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 like go, like go. You tell them V A, V A, V. Okay, V, V. For instance, an example. V haria, haria is there. Okay, haria is there. Good. V haria, V haria. Kamau V haria. Jerry V haria. Okay. To tell them to come back, what do you tell them? Jerry Oka, Jerry Oka, Jerry come. Otieno Oka, Otieno Oka, Otieno come. Okay, that's good. We are going to the next. Sit down. Okay, how do you say that? You say like this. I ka ra, I ka ra, ikara. And then down is the. So you tell that someone this way. Ikara the. Good. Ikara the. Ikara the. Ikara the. Sit down. Ikara the. Sit down. Okay. You can make your own examples. Good. We are going to the next. Konywa. Konywa. Drinking. Ko. New. A. Good. Ko. New. A. Konywa. Konywa. Like what? Water is my. So drinking water is konywa my. Konywa my. Konywa my. Okay, I'm drinking water. De la nywa my. Good. De la nywa my. Okay, drinking water is my ma konywa. My ma konywa. Like asking someone to give you drinking water, you just tell them he my ma konywa. He my ma konywa. Give me drinking water. Good. We go to the next. Eating. Ko. Ko. Re. A. Ko. Re. A. Korea. Korea. Eating. Korea. And food is Ilio. 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 Korea. Ilio. Eating food. What about eating bread? Bread in Kikuyu is called mo ga te. Mo ga te. Now to say eating bread. Korea mo ga te. Korea mo ga te. Good. Then to ask someone to give you bread. He, give. Mogate, give me bread. Give me bread. Good. Give me bread. He, mogate, give me food. He, irio, give me water. He, mae, ma kunywa. Nice. Korea, Korea. Deraria, I'm eating. Korea, eating. Deraria, I'm eating. Korea, eating. We go to the next. Ah, here we are. Sleeping. Go. Ko. Ma. Go. Ko. Ma. Go. Ko. Ma. Go. Ko. Ma. Sleeping. Go. Ko. Ma. Good. So to say I'm going to sleep, you say dadie, that is I'm going. Dadie go ko ma. I'm going to sleep. Dadie go ko ma. Good. To ask someone or to command them to go and sleep, you tell them vie, this word here, vie o ga ko me, vie o ga ko me, vie o ga ko me, go and sleep. Next, after sleeping, wake up, wake up, it's morning, it's morning. Waking up is wo ke ra, this word. Wo ke ra, wo ke ra, wo ke ra, wo ke ra. Good. Like to tell someone to wake up, you tell them o ke ra. Okay. O ke ra. Fire it. O ke ra. Musioki. O ke ra. Joroge. Okera. Ne gokeire. That's to say, it is morning. Ne gokeire. It has dawned. Ne gokeire. Ne gokeire. Ne gokeire. It has dawned. Good. Okera. Odie dukuru. Wake up and go to school. Okera. Odie dukuru. Dukuru is school. Okay. Okera is wake up. Odie and go. Dukuru school. Okera odie dukuru. Okera ne gokeire. This sentence here. Okera ne gokeire. Wake up. It is daytime. We go to the next. Pop. Woo! Run! 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 Te. Nge. Ra. Te. Nge. Ra. Tengera. Tengera. Run! Tengera. Nidira tengera. I'm running. Ne ara tengera. He is running. Tengera. Run! Good, 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 good. We go to the next. Roga. Jump. Roga. 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 Jump. Okay? Like jump. Okay? Good. We go to the next. Kokoa. Ko. Go. A. Kogoa. Kogoa is to fall. Okay. Kugwa. Dagwa da ti hio. Dagwa da ti hio. I fell and hurt myself. Agwa na faidhikiri. He fell on his bike. Thank you for watching today's lesson. May God bless you. If you have not subscribed, kindly, prescribe can subscribe. Please, I beg you, subscribe. Share with other people and continue learning Kikuyu with me. Comment and like and subscribe, and lastly, share with other people that we may grow in this channel, so that I may be able to share this more content. If you need custom classes for your children, for yourself, I'm ready. I'm available. Okay, just contact me on this contact here on the screen. Can you see them? This one. This is my number. You can reach me on WhatsApp, or you can email me. Yes, and we are going to organize how we do that. Okay, yes, we can have more time with you other than this. How many minutes? Few minutes. Okay, like this is for 11-12 minutes. So may God bless you, and I wish you all the best as you continue learning Kikuyu. Bye bye. See you in the next.